issues. So carrying angle is this angle between your arm and your forearm at the elbow. Alright, so at the elbow you can have Cubitus Varus. You can also have what? Cubitus Valgus. We're discussing the two of them. Okay, so let's quickly move on to the next. So Cubitus Varus and Cubitus Valgus. Okay, so all of them, you know that they are deformities of the elbow and they affect the carrying angle of the arm. So the carrying angle is that natural outward angle between the upper arm, humerus, and the forearm. That's the radius and the ulnar. You know, so Cubitus Varus, now we're talking about the varus. So the angle is kind of like what? Going, how will I put it? You know, it's an inward deviation of the forearm relative to the what? Upper arm, reducing or reversing the normal carrying angle. Alright, so normal, can you see this angle? So this one is what? Reducing it, while the Cubitus Valgus is increasing it too much. You know, so appearance, the forearm is pointed towards the body's midline, while the arm is what? Extended. That's when the arm is extended, right? So causes, it's most commonly a complication of what? Supracondylar fractures of the humerus in children, malunion, maybe proper union after a fracture. Okay, so it's a cosmetic deformity, right? So it's usually called the Gunstock deformity. Okay, usually not painful, but it affects how you can use that body part. Then also affects how, you know, you look at yourself. Okay, this is a Gunstock deformity. Okay, now moving to the next is Cubitus Varus. So Cubitus Varus is just outward deviation, right? See, the carrying angle is increased too much. So when Cubitus Varus is too much, you call that the Gunstock. You get it? So Cubitus Varus is an outward deviation of the forearm relative to the upper arm. This increases the carrying angle beyond normal. So the forearm points away from the body's midline more than usual. Causes is malunion of the lateral condylar fractures of the humerus, and sometimes congenital, somebody is born with it. Effect is cosmetic deformity and can stretch the ulnar nerve, leading to what? Tardy ulnar nerve palsy. Okay, so common, the normal carrying angle, men is about 5 degrees to 10 degrees. Women is what? 10 degrees to 15 degrees. So varus simply what? Decreases the angle. Valgus increases the angle too much. Management, sometimes you can observe that sometimes you do surgeries to actually what? Realign those parts of the bone. So I saw a lot